Hello guys, and welcome at Test and Review again. Today I'm going to make a quick video about the Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed mouse, and it will be dedicated to how to change the battery of this Razer mouse. Before we proceed, let me just remind you, if you like our channels, our reviews and guides, please subscribe to Test and Review. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions in regards to this product or any other we have reviewed so far. So let's not waste any more time and check this beautiful mouse. For those who follow our blog and YouTube channel, you know that we already have reviewed this mouse and we have a long-term review, so please check this. In the description I'll post a link, or just go to testproductreview.com and search for Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed mouse, and you will find all of our reviews for this mouse. So let me just show you how to change the mouse on this Razer mouse. In order to do that, just grab the mouse and from the very bottom, this part, just take it here and pick it upwards like this. You see, it was very easy, and inside you can see the battery. So again, some manual labor, just pick it up and take the battery out. That's the whole process of taking the battery out and replacing it with a new one. And the activity goes like this: push and push down as well, and just pop the hood, if we can call it like that, this part, and push it downwards until it clicks. And there you go, the battery is now changed on this Razer Basilisk X mouse. It is quite easy and a quick process as well. But still, if you have any question in regards to changing the battery or any others related to this mouse, post it in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. Stay tuned and see you later. Bye bye for now.